Happy Wednesday, setters. We're seeing some bullish momentum in the stock market and the cryptocurrency market. S&P 500 is above 4,100 and Bitcoin is above 30,000 at the moment. Next week, I'll be making a video how to make $1 million from cryptocurrency. So make sure you subscribe if you don't want to miss out. Okay, I'm going to start off with the S&P 500. This is a 4-hour chart. We see an initial push-up bullish move, but now price action is looking a bit tired right here. So I think we're probably due for a retracement. Whether the retracement will be shallow, just around this above 4,000 area, or slightly lower, so below 4,000 again, we shall see anyway. I think I would prefer it a bit lower so we have a bit more room to aim for the upside. I think the upside is going to be limited. I'll keep it probably between this area, 4,200, 4,300 area for my profit area anyway. But I do want to short term be a buyer, but I need to wait for a retracement first anyway. Okay, just to show you why I think the 4,200, 400 would be the area to aim for. You can see when we had the initial push down from that area, from this December to March time, we had a little bounce through there. So I'm just going to use this trend line to gauge what's the potential of upside on that. You can see, yeah, it's around 4,300 if we have a bounce like that. So let's see what the price action gives us in a few days time, probably sometime early next week anyway, won't be this week. Looking at NASDAQ as well, you can see, yeah, price action had an initial push up. This is a 1-hour chart. Maybe I'll use a 4-hour, you will see a bit better. So initial push up, but now price is looking a bit tired now, so need a little bit of recharge. So if it breaks this little low here, just clear this off. If it break this, then I think it's gonna roll down to around this area, 12,000, and then go again around 13,000. But I probably just will trade only S&P 500. I won't trade the NASDAQ because it's weaker. Moving on to other indices, one of them is top of my list is the DAX. I said it broken out this inverted head and shoulder on 4 hours. You see it clearly. So I want to have a retracement back to this new monthly pivot as well. So 14,000 area, and then potentially we have 1,000 points to grab. Around the 15,000 would be the area for my profit area. Nothing too optimistic just yet. I don't think we're out of the room yet. All right. I'm going to go to cryptocurrency because I mentioned that next week I will be doing a video how to make $1 million from cryptocurrency. Okay, stay tuned for that. It's obviously sounds quite optimistic, but it is very much possible because in cryptocurrency, when you know how to invest on that at the right time using the right method management plan, the percentage gain is a lot greater than investing on shares. Okay, so I will share some of my tips sometime next week. Okay, so cryptocurrency, you can see Bitcoin broke out 30,000. Now again, it's looking a bit tired. I think it will be correlating with the stock market, come back to here, and then maybe we'll see a push higher back to 35, 36 area, and then we shall see how that goes. Okay. Now, currency side, I said yesterday I am in, I'm still in this euro dollar. So I'm in at the moment. I like to add a bit more. If you go back to dollar index, you know, dollar index is now still on uptrend. Nothing, no picture changes. Let me get to the new monthly pivot, see where the monthly pivot is. Get rid of the history. Yeah, I think price likely to draw into around I said 103. So yeah, just above the monthly pivot, and then we should see how it goes. I may turn into a seller. I see price action this month would be kind of like that, and then make a base, and then eventually maybe try again or break lower. We shall see anyway, but certainly enough for to trade the next 2 weeks anyway. So I'm long on dollar, which is selling euro. I will add on another trade when price does this, break this low, come back for a retest, and then I'll take one of the profit here. So this it's gonna be, I'm gonna scale in when it break this low, 106.80 area. Okay. Another pairs on my list potentially to short is Aussie. I don't want to because it's still, you can see it's still on the upside and it hasn't changed the picture yet, so it's very resilient. Kiwi on the other side is already changed the picture, so you know, could have get one there, but I'm already in euro, so you can see that blue box, which I like when price structure change. When it breaks, I like a retest on that. So, but I set on euro dollar, so I'm leaving Kiwi at the moment. But if Kiwi breaks this low, come back for a retest, yeah, it could be this afternoon, could be tomorrow morning. We'll see how the price action developed later. But again, because I'm in one trade, I probably will be take some profit around this area. So 1 to 1, 1.5 to 1 on my scaling trade. All right. Dollar yen I miss, unfortunately. I mean, yeah, sometimes yen's doesn't give you a retest and bang, but it's looking a bit, yeah, it's come to a soft level again, so I'm happy to let it go. Oil I don't like. I've never liked it, so it looks like maybe having a pop higher, but very difficult to trade. Silver, I said I wanted to short, but I'm already short in euro dollar. So yesterday a retest around, arguable that's a nice level retest around this 21.95 area, coincide with the 50 MA crossover as well. I'm already late, so I'm not gonna chase it. So gold, yeah, we may see a little downside through there, but you know, I missed already, so I'm happy to stay in with the euro dollar trade and look to scale in a bit more this afternoon. Okay, so that's all for my trading plan for today. We will be running a live session tomorrow at 2 p.m. UK time, US session, so look forward to seeing you guys then. Thank you.